Hey, what's up everybody? Lovey Fat Life, Lovey's Fat Life, Mike Lovelace here. And we got a Blackstone tip for you today. We did a Dollar Tree, I'm gonna get that right, Dollar Tree haul. And picked up something I've heard on some of the Facebook groups. And my buddy Richard Yutz gave me this tip. And we're gonna try it out and see if it works. It's something, only costs $1 a piece for this, to help this thing right here out. And help me out too, so let's check this out. All right, Dollar Tree haul here. So we went to the Dollar Tree, and I keep hearing about Boom. These scrapers that are $1 a piece at the Dollar Tree. And so I went to the Dollar Tree, and I didn't know how many to buy. I bought 10 of them, but these things fit perfectly on your Blackstone. This is a 36 inch. And now this one right here, the wind's blowing here, I'm sorry. I cut it down. So these things, I think they're 6 inches or 5 inch each. Right there, there's the name on them. Let's pull one out of the bag here. Yeah, they're 6 inches each. And these are scrapers, so they come in handy anyway. So 6/12, cut an inch off this one. I took some 10 snips and just took it off an inch. I went to the 5 inch mark on it. Snipped it up here. Now I will take a rasp and go over this so that I won't cut myself later on. But look, this will help for several reasons. Number one, it will help on reducing the wind going in and out of here, sometimes blowing off your burners. Number two, and the most important thing, is it'll help keep some of the heat in here so that you don't lose so much heat. So we're gonna try it out. But yeah, I'm gonna cut another one and put it on the other side, so I'll have 6 of them. I've also heard you can turn around and do them around the front here as well, but you'll definitely have to cut more off, because if you look and see, there's quite a bit of difference there. I'm not going to do that originally, but these things fit perfect. Slide them in, slide them down. You can get 2 of them on there fully, and then you'll have to cut this one. If you don't want to and just put 2 on, that's fine. That's going to still help a lot on the heat, losing the heat coming out this way. But yeah, I like that tip, and we'll see how it works tonight. All right, what else did I get at the Dollar Tree? Yes, these are really condiments bottles for ketchup and mustard. We're going to put water and oil in here. See, now these are cheap. They're not as good a quality as a Blackstone, but for 2 for $1 at the Dollar Tree, why not? We'll see how those work as well. So those other things there I could have got as well, but the biggest thing was those scrapers. I mean, for $1, I mean, you can have $6 total in for, this is a 36 inch griddle. And you don't necessarily, you don't have to cut this one and put this one on too. I just did it because I had some 10 snips, but you could really just put these 2 on and it'd probably help a lot. But again, yeah, for these, scraping, so forth, and cutting as a chopper, I don't think you can beat that for $1. All right, so here's the other side, and it's really windy today, so we'll see if this helps with some of the wind, keeping the heat down. This is the other side. I could take a little bit more off on here, but again, this is just amazingly keeping the heat in here and on the griddle, maybe using a little less gas overall, and also hopefully stopping the chances of blowing out the burners. But again, both sides done, and I will take a rasp of this one and this one to smooth it over so it, won't cut ourselves. But yeah, cheap $1 scrapers at the Dollar Tree. What do you guys think? Very easy, take on and off. Put them back on. Takes up a little bit of room on the inside, but not a whole lot, not down at the griddle part. Hey, one other thing, these do not affect the lid coming down top or bottom. So just a heads up on that. On this ProSeries 36-inch I got, it does not affect this coming down. So again, cheap fix. You know, maybe they make something a little bit better, but for a total of $6 invested in this at Dollar Tree, I don't think you can go wrong with that. And you can see it coming down on the sides there, stopping that wind. Hey, thank you guys for checking out Lovey's Fat Life. Food and travel, that's what the fat stands for. We like smoking meat. We like cooking things on the griddle. We like restaurant reviews. And of course, we love travel. We love cruising and land and sea vacations. Hope this little tip helps you out. Please like and subscribe if you like what we're doing. We definitely have a Blackstone Griddle playlist. Thank you.